Alright, similar patch as the first. We're going to focus on playing around with Echophon though, so let's get this going. We're scanning. We've got some sci-fi sounds going on. Let's play around with that a little bit. Pitch shift. Oh yeah, it's all going to that Echophon there. Got these different feedback loops. Oh no. You know what we could do? We could put another row. Oh no. We like loop 1. Wow. Beautiful. It's like we're controlling the pitch of the shifter there. Let's go high. Oh no! Let's modulate with the woggle bug. Oh no. Oh no, let's freeze it. Oh no. We're making noise. We're making noise. Everyone okay? Everyone's okay.